Are you still struggling with your first affiliate commission? And let's be real, most affiliate fails not because they are not promoting, but because they are missing the crucial steps. Hey friends, my name is Joven. Listen, there is no mistakes or experience you will have as an affiliate that is new. I have personally made those kind of mistakes or had the same experience just like you. And if you carefully follow these 7 steps I am about to reveal to you, I promise you will be on your way to making your first $1,000 as an affiliate marketer, even if you are going to start from scratch. From spamming my link to copy pasting a product description and getting frustrated and discouraged when no one clicks and buy from me, and the list goes on. But here is the truth, all of that are behind me. So with my years of experience in affiliate marketing, I am here to share the right steps that you can follow to make your first $1,000 as an affiliate, as a total beginner. And the best part, you don't need a website, a massive followers, or a ton of experience to get it started. All you need is the right strategy, and that is what I am going to show you in this video. So you might want to grab your notepad, and especially if you are new here, turn on notification and don't fail to subscribe, and remember to also give us a thumbs up. Apparently it helps the algorithm know the right audience to push this information to. And let's dive into it. Now let's get into our step number 1, and that is picking the right affiliate offer. Let's get this one thing straight. If you will ever record any sales in affiliate marketing, it all starts from picking the right products. This is because not all affiliate products are created equally. And so, if you want to clinch your first $1,000 as an affiliate, you need to pick the right high converting offer. And here is what you should look for before promoting any products. Number 1 is proven demand. Make sure that what you pick to promote is what people are already looking for. The second thing you must consider before promoting any product is the conversion rates. Make sure that the product you pick to promote is a product that has the high conversion rates. To do this successfully, check on affiliate network like Digistore24, Impact.com, and ClickBank for a high converting product to promote. The third thing you must consider is the fact that your products you want to promote must has a high commission rate. So look for a product that offers high commission, like between 30 to 50%, or ideally the product that offers recurring commission. And here is the thing, avoid picking what is trending. Instead, go for what is timeless, profitable, and solve the real problem in your niche. So now that you've selected the right product, it is now time for you to set up your affiliate system, and that is our step number 2. You know, for you to make a consistent income even while you sleep, you need a system that runs on autopilot, and this is where your affiliate funnels comes into play. And here is how to set up your affiliate system. So the first system you should think of is your landing page. This is where you offer something valuable for free, like a checklist, a mini course, or ebooks to those that are visiting your landing page. And this is truly important because this is the way of building trust with your audience. The second system is your email sequence. Email sequence is another important system that you can use to build relationship with your subscribers. And all you need here is to follow up with a valuable content that pre-sells your offer. And the third system is your affiliate offer page. Affiliate offer page is a page where your affiliate link lives. And so to get it right, it should be simple and focus on your offer's benefits. And now here is a pro tips. Your goal is not to sell directly on social media or blogs, but to capture leads and direct them to your funnel where the real conversion takes place. So now that you've successfully selected a high converting product and your systems that sells on autopilot is completely set up, that takes us to the next step, which is to drive targeted traffic, and that is our steps number 3. You know, as an affiliate, driving a targeted traffic to your system is what keeps your business alive. And here is a key when it comes to driving targeted traffic. It is not about getting millions of views. Rather, it all depends on reaching the right people who are ready to take action. To this end, focus on one of these methods. One of the most effective methods professionals are using to drive free traffic to their landing page is through YouTube Shorts. The trick here is to create a short value-packed video that solves a problem related to your products, and then link your viewers in the description to your landing page. The second method is through Instagram and TikTok. These platforms also allow you to leverage short content with a call to action. And while dropping your short value-packed content on this platform, remember to link your viewers to your landing page using your bio. And the third method is through Pinterest. And your job here is to post a blog style content or pin a simple image that leads to your landing page. And here is the fourth method of generating free focused traffic to your landing page, and that is through Facebook groups and communities. Joining Facebook groups and communities related to your niche is another powerful way of driving free traffic to your landing page. And remember, you are not here to spam your link on the group. Your job is to share value first and then link your landing page where it makes sense to do so. Here is a little word of caution. Don't try to be in all of these platforms. Pick one platform that aligns with your audience and then master it. Now, to start seeing clicks from your audience, it is important for you to build trust with your audience, and that is our step number 4. And here is why building trust with your audience is really important. People don't buy from strangers, they buy from people they trust. That is why building trust with your audience is important for you to see clicks that will eventually lead to sales. And now that you've selected your platform, let's talk about how to build real trust with your audience. And the first trust builder is sharing value-packed content. The second thing you must do to build trust with your audience is to share free resources. Also, it is important for you to be authentic and transparent. Be ready to share your wins and your lessons with them. And when people see that you are real, they will follow your advice and click your links. And remember, honesty sells faster than hypes. It is now the right time to turn on paid traffic, and that is our steps number 5. Now that your funnel is working, it is now time to praise the grass. Now, take note of this. The most effective way to boost your income as an affiliate is through paid traffic. I love to repeat that. The most effective way to boost your income as an affiliate fast is through paid ads. And that doesn't mean that you need a huge budget to get started. With as low as $20, you can start running YouTube ads on your products. All you need to do is to create a short, engaging video to promote your products directly. More on ads, you can also create a retargeting ad on your product. A retargeting ad or a retargeted ad is an ad that is made specifically for people that visited your landing page but did not buy. So making this kind of ad is to remind them or help them come back to your page, and that can eventually lead to conversion. So running ads on your product generally increases your chances of closing sales and making more money in the process. Now, here is a little word of caution. Only run ads once your organic strategy is working so as to increase your returns. Otherwise, you will be throwing your money into the wind. And that takes us to steps number 6, which is optimize your funnel. As an affiliate, setting up your funnel doesn't mean hands off. Instead, once your funnel is live, your next job is to optimize and track everything. So your tracking should include your click-through rates, your leads magnet performance, and your conversion rates. These are very important in your tracking. To get this done, you can use tools like Google Analytics and ClickFunnels to tweak headlines, calls to action, and email sequences. And don't forget that making these small improvements can double your results and your earnings. And here comes our steps number 7, and that is scale and repeat. So, if you have carefully followed all the 6 steps I have mentioned, right now you must have made your first $100 to $500. And now is the time to scale up. And to do that, you will first have to take note of what is working, like the products that is working, the right system that is giving you traffic, and put more fuel on this. To get this done, increase your ad spending gradually. Create more content on the products that is converting and build a larger email list. And remember, the more efforts and resources you put in, the more results you will get, and the more your earning will also increase. So, keep improving your funnels. Focus on driving organic and inorganic traffic. Select your platform and build trust with your audience. and your first $1,000 will feel just like the beginning. And there you have it, 7 steps to earning your first $1,000 as an affiliate. Simple and proven. And if you carefully follow these steps with consistency, you will hit your targets in no time. But here is the truth. It all boils down to one thing, and that is action. Affiliate marketing isn't hard. Taking heavy action on the right strategy is your roadmap to success. If you are serious about earning your first $1,000 as an affiliate, hit that subscribe button now and turn on notifications, because on this channel we share professional tips and affiliate marketing hacks weekly that you will never want to miss. Have any question about what we've discussed so far? Drop them in the comment section, and thanks so much for staying with me till the end of this video. Keep working and keep earning, and I will see you in the next video.